Hey, Sergeant Locksmith here. Okay, we're going to change the battery here out on our Mazda remote 3-button. This one here, super simple to do. You don't even need to flip the blade out. Go ahead and pinch the top. Pull the two halves apart. Now that you got them apart, we'll set that to the side. You'll need a smaller flat tip screwdriver. And if you look inside, you'll see right over in the corner, there's a little indentation. Put your flat tip in there and gently pop the two halves open. Go ahead and set that down. Here's your battery. Take your flat tip again. Notice you got a little plastic tab here and here. Don't pry on those, just come to the side. Lift up. Work yourself around and your battery's out. This is a 1620 battery, and if you notice in the remote, a lot of times they'll tell you positive. So when we put it back together, let's put it back together the same way. Make sure you set it at the angle towards here, because your plastic tabs, that way when you go and line it up, when you push down, those tabs there lock it in. Take the two halves, squeeze gently. Notice the seams back together. Slide it back together. There you go. You just changed your battery out. Hey, thanks again for watching Sergeant Locksmith. Let's be safe out there.